Hi there and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to plant potatoes without digging a trench. So I've got second early Charlottes and a King Edward main crop, 2 rows of each, and they are 12 inches apart with 15 inches between the rows. So gone are the days really where it's used to be quite labour intensive, where you'd dig a massive trench, fill it with loads of manure. Um, Now, I mean, with Charles Dowden, the no dig method, it's similar to this. So he just makes a little slit in the soil, um, digs a small hole, and just pops the potato in, and he'll just add a layer of compost or manure over the top, which is what I'm going to do here with this one. It's really quite simple and a lot less labour intensive. And it doesn't damage the soil too much. I mean, I've dug here a little bit, but the last thing I want to be doing is digging right down into the soil, you know, huge long trenches and damaging all the microbes and things that live in there, as I don't believe this is very beneficial. So when I've popped my potato in, that's about a spade's worth of manure. You can use compost, it doesn't really matter, it's just creating another layer on top. Don't compact it though, it must be left crumbly, that way that the potatoes can grow and expand without being compacted. So again, just digging a little hole, popping the potato in, and I'm going to give it a spade's worth of manure. So what I'm going to do when the leaves start to come through, I'm just going to keep just covering them with some more compost or manure, to be honest, until I've got a good couple of inches worth there on top, and that just gives it enough space for the tubers to start growing. So yeah, so that's what it looks like once I've finished. Be quite liberal with the manure or compost. At the end of the day, you want to create a nice environment for the potatoes to grow, and I've got a little extra pile here which I'll just use to keep topping it up. And during the growing season, all you're wanting to do really is just get any weeds out that you see, and keep them well watered, especially in the hot weather. But having said that, I've watched videos on YouTube where people have run tests and they haven't watered them at all. They've just relied on rainwater, and they've got potatoes. So it's like all my videos, really. I don't like to get too hung up on sort of the theory of growing the vegetables. They're all pretty hardy, and most of them grow without too much effort. So just every now and again, if it's hot, if it hasn't rained for a little while, just give them a little water and they'll be fine. So huge thanks for watching. I've got other videos that you might want to check out. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.